All right, here she is, 1960 Simca Chatelaine, in from the cold, battery charged up. She looks beautiful other than being a little bit dirty. So there's a few upgrades that we want to do, things that we want to change up a little bit just from spending time driving it, and we want to keep it, put more miles on it. So there's a few things on the interior we want to upgrade, but the big thing I want to handle is something fell on top of the roof, caused some damage when the car was on its way back from Vegas and the racetrack. So I really want to get that fixed. I was trying to figure out easy ways to do it, and then if we're gonna fix it, we might as well do something cool, right? I mean, anybody can fix it back to the way it was. So as I was researching, trying to figure out ideas with it, I came across a 6th gen Nissan Maxima, and I guess like the 3rd gen Nissan Quest had these as well. But it's called a Skyview window, and it's a fixed window. It doesn't open up like the sunroof or anything you'd see in like your 80s Camaro, and it also doesn't run from driver to passenger side. It actually runs from front to back, which is pretty freaking cool. So this one in particular has a blacked out area in the middle of the glass, which is perfect so that we can run the roll bar right through here, have a small section of window up front for the driver and passenger, and a little larger section in the back. Just kind of get more light in there. The interior is all black anyway, so I think it'll just be really cool. So hopefully it works out as I planned. Keep our fingers crossed. Chop a big hole in that roof and make it happen.